guys, it's Stasia Talks TV and I am back with another video. So I finally got all of my Amazon packages. Two of the items I'm actually not going to use, so I'm about to return that. And one, the Postal Service is doing whatever they want, so I just got a whole refund. But anyways, as y'all know, I decided to try Beetles gel polish, their brand of items. And I have, I got it was a Valentine's Day kit, and it came with the base coat, a matte coat, a top coat, and like a glitter purple, and like 3 different color purples, and a mini gel UV lamp, as you can see in my last video. And I've been wanting to try the holographic powder because I've been seeing it. And I said, oh, that's cool. That looks really nice. And now, you know, since the coronavirus, you got to get creative. You got to find things to do. So I decided this is how it came. I used it. That's why I look like this. But I decided to get the holographic powder by Beetles. Now, this was $7.99 on Amazon. And as you can see, it comes with the applicator, which is like the eyeshadow stick, which is really good because you really have to smudge it in. And then the holographic powder. Now, I'm going to let y'all actually see. Let me put this here. I'm putting a napkin down. I'm going to let y'all see what the holographic powder looks like. Now, this is a basic. You know, you can get these for like $1 at the beauty supply store or whatever, or maybe cheaper in a pack. Well, now they're probably like $3-4, but usually you can get them for like $1, like in a pack. So this is basically what it looks like. Freak, it's spelled out. Let it zoom. This is what it looks like. And basically what I did with this was, you know, you put your base coat, then you let it cure under the lamp. Then you put the color that you want. Then you let it cure. Then before I put the top coat, I put the purple. As you can see, it's like a purplish. I put the purple one. Then I let that cure. Then I put the holographic powder on. And then after the holographic powder, I put the top coat on. And I got the holographic effect. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's how I did it. It is a process, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. But to me, I tried the holographic powder with regular nail polish, and it didn't come out as well as it did with the gel nail polish. So if you're gonna use, if you're gonna use when you're using this, make sure you have like a towel or like tissue or something under it, because when it spills, it's like hard to clean up. It comes off, but you really gotta like scrub it. So make sure you put something under this when you're using it. But yeah, it works better with gel nail polish. Regular nail polish, they said if you use regular nail polish, use water-based nail polish. Unfortunately, I don't think I had water-based. I think I used the Sally Henson one. Yeah, I don't think, it's not going to work well with regular nail polish. You have to use a water-based. And when applying this, you only need like a little bit. You put it in one section and you just smudge it in the nail. And if you want like different color effects, like my effect is purple. If you want different color effects, you use a different color. Like say you want like the holographic color to come out looking blue. You use blue as your nail polish color. Put the holographic powder on. Put the top coat and it will show blue. Mine is reflecting purple, as you can see. Because I put the base color as purple. But you can use any color. It just have to be gel nail polish. This works better with gel nail polish. I am going to buy different nail polish effects. I really, really love this. I really, really love Beetles. If you don't know what Beetles is, they like a gel polish company on Amazon. They have different types of gel nail polishes. They even have different lamps. They have travel size items. They have different nail colors. They have a whole bunch of stuff on there for your nails. And if you like being crafty and you need a hobby right now during this virus and need something to do with your kids, or you just want to just keep yourself up and feel beautiful and look beautiful, it only takes less than, it took me less than, well, I did this one day and this one day because I was tired. So it only takes less than 2 minutes to do this. Like less than 2 minutes. You don't have to do a lot of work. Like when you go to the nail salons, it be seeming like you be in that chair forever. But honestly, sis, you do not have to do that much work. So this is the finished product. Let me know how yours come out, but this is how it should look in the end. This is how it should look. So remember, base coat, let it cure under the lamp. Nail polish, then let it cure under the lamp. Add your holographic powder. Add your top coat after you put the holographic powder. Then let it cure under the lamp. For me, I did it 2 times for 60 seconds to make sure that it was really dry and no smudging or nothing. And that's it. So make sure I will put the links below of the holographic powder and the Beetle products that I used. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.